One of the things we emphasize here within our programming here at Mid-Michigan College is the emphasis on industry certifications. That's going to prepare students beyond the classroom and show the local employers that our students are ready to take on the tasks that they need to do within industry.
The addition of the additive manufacturing processes and design aspects of it into the programs here at Mid is one of the steps we're going through in trying to get our manufacturing base to embrace Industry 4.0 methodologies as we go forward, and also to make sure that our students coming out of the programs here have the skills that are necessary in that particular area.
The CADD program at Mid-Michigan College has been very successful for the past 10+ years, preparing students for entry-level professional careers in CAD, design, and additive manufacturing. With the addition of the partnership with Lyseon Additive Manufacturing, as well as the enhanced technology in 3D printers from Stratasys, my students will be much more prepared for higher-level professional CAD design and 3D printing prototype positions after graduation.
It's a definite shortage out there, and we need to do everything that we can to fortify those shortages.
I think it's a huge opportunity for future students or even current students at Mid-Michigan College, because additive manufacturing is still the tip of the iceberg relative to its popularity in the manufacturing foot space.
What makes this unique is that the partnership was going to put some industrial machines within our lab, and our students have the potential to do industrial level work for companies that's quite unique. Normally, students don't get that opportunity to do industrial type work within labs. This equipment will allow our students to do actual industrial jobs for companies going through Lyseon. That's going to give them a foot up, because they're going to be doing these things in the classroom prior to graduation. So when they do graduate with their degree and with this additive manufacturing certificates, they'll already have plenty of experience working on major jobs, and it'll give them an opportunity to work with an employer prior to graduation.